SingPost shares tumbled almost 11% today as investors reacted negatively to the leadership shakeup at Singapore's National Postal Company. 3 senior members of the management team were sacked over the weekend for alleged mishandling of an internal probe on failed deliveries. Among them is Group CEO and Group CFO. An analyst says such big decisions suggest a need to rid lapses at a systemic level. Alexandra Anand reports.
For a delivery failure to happen, a delivery attempt must be made. A whistleblower report shows this was not the case for some of SingPost's international e-commerce parcels to one of its biggest customers. The report exposed that the company manually updated delivery codes for these parcels to indicate delivery failure without actually trying to deliver them. These false entries were made without basis and supporting documents, all with the intent of avoiding contracted penalties for non-delivery.
I think really trust is at the core of the postal business, and the very action now at the very high level suggests something that certain rectification measures need to be adopted, need to be fostered, enable to company to continue to have that credibility factor in this industry.
SingPost did not reveal who these parcels were meant for, what it contained, or why they were not delivered in the first place. An internal probe was done and 3 managerial staff were sacked and reported to the police. Now, 3 more members from the senior management team have been fired for alleged gross negligence when handling the investigations. Former Group CEO Vincent Phang and former Group CFO Vincent Yik described their sackings in a joint statement as unfair and without merit. They vowed to fight their termination. Despite the abrupt changes in leadership, SingPost says its services will not be affected. Market watchers say the shakeup is painful for now, but may benefit the firm in the long term.
If you look at the broader level, especially in recent times when there are service lapses and also delivery mishaps, it may suggest something at a more systemic and a more culture level.
SingPost says its business with the customer is not affected and their contract has been renewed. Both sides have agreed on a settlement on top of the penalties incurred for the delivery issues. The firm says it will announce a new group CEO in due course.